Hi, this is Said Teski from EST Academy. In this video, I will talk about two important equations in financial accounting. First, I'll talk about inventory equation. For inventory equation, we will have the opening inventory. We'll add to it the purchases for the period. Then we'll deduct from it cost of goods sold. And after that, we will have the ending inventory. I will derive from this equation the equation of cost of goods sold, then I will explain both equations. So if we need to solve for cost of goods sold from the same equation, we will say cost of goods sold equal to opening inventory plus purchases minus ending inventory. Okay, think about it this way. If you start with your opening inventory, then during the period you made some purchases, so you increased your inventory. So your inventory now is the whole thing. We call it inventory or goods available for sale. Okay, so you should have all of this amount available for sale. Okay, let's say you came at the end of the period and you found that only this part or this much is what you have in ending inventory. What do you think happened to this part, to the small part over here? If you think about it, this will be the goods that you have sold. So we call it sold goods. This part is what we call in accounting cost of goods sold. So let's get some numbers here. So let's say we started with opening inventory of 5 goods of item X. Okay, this is the opening inventory. Then we made some purchases of 8X. Okay, so in total we have 13 item of X available. Okay, so if we came at the end of the period and we found that only 10 items are in our warehouse, so what do you think happened to the 3 items that are missing from our warehouse? Of course they may be stolen, but let's assume that nothing were stolen. So let's say these 3 items are not in our warehouse. So we will assume that we have sold these 3 items. So in cost of goods sold, we have 3 items of X. Okay, so this is what this equation is saying. Cost of goods sold equal to opening inventory, which is 5 in this example. So we have 5 here, plus the total purchases, which is 8, minus the ending inventory that we found at the end of the period, which is 10. So 5 plus 8 is 13, minus 10, that will give us 3. So 3 items is our cost of goods sold. Of course, you have to multiply it by the unit cost per item. Let's say it's $10, so times 10, that will give you cost of goods sold of $30. Okay, so these two equations over here are really important for your financial accounting course. I recommend that you memorize them for now, and while you are doing some exercises and practicing, try to understand these equations. They are really easy. If you didn't get the idea behind it, I recommend that you re-watch this video, and I hope that you can understand it. If not, just memorize them for now, and while you are doing some examples and exercises, you will understand more the concept behind these two equations. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find something new. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.